Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the top section of your front seat, giving you guys a little bit of tips and tricks on how you can get it down when it's a little bit tighter of a fit. That's mainly going to be on things like Rams or even some F-150s. They do have slightly bigger seats. So the first big tip is obviously to just make sure that your zipper is unzipped. And then what you really got to do is just put it on a little bit. And then the big tip is just going to be, you got to really kind of work it down. And this one, as you can see, it takes a little bit to really get it down there. And then what I like to do is we'll come around back here. All right, so once you have it shimmied down pretty well, what I like to do is come up here to my buttons. And then as you notice, they don't necessarily fully line up with the actual headrest peg. So what we have to really do, because that means we didn't put it on centered, is really kind of just adjust it and then kind of push these underneath like this. And then we'll do the same thing on here. So it takes a little bit of a little wiggle room, and the goal is to tuck it underneath that plastic there. So it should look something like this, and then you can really then go around front and readjust it. So once we have it, tucked underneath our plastic there, it's gonna be a little bit easier to readjust it and get it down more on the seat. Then what we can do is also take our two wheels and put them through the crease. That's gonna allow you to get it down more as well, as that's gonna hold it into the crease. The next thing you can really do to help get it down is, because of these hard plastics on the side, you're actually gonna wanna tuck it in there. It's gonna make it not only look better, but allow you to get it down more if need be. Now, these are just a semi-universal seat cover, so it doesn't necessarily fit 100% perfect, but as you can see, with a little bit of extra tucking, you can make it look almost like reupholstery. So now that that's tucked in, we can do the same thing on the inside and then come around back to zip that zipper. All right, now that we've tucked it into the plastic here, the last step that we need to do is simply zip that barn door. And depending on how big your seats are, like on a TRX, you might have to actually pull this together and then zip, depending on how big it is. But a lot of times, after use of the seat covers for about a week, maybe two, it allows you to then readjust the seat as need be. You can really pull on these corners here and adjust it down to get it down as much as possible. And then, over time, you'll be able to readjust it, and then it will fit on better to your specific seat.